Ladies and gentlemen, the wait is over. DJI has just unveiled the highly anticipated DJI Air 3, and it's a game changer for imaging enthusiasts. The Air 3 features an innovative dual camera setup with a wide and tele option as standard, taking aerial photography and videography to new heights. Say goodbye to the Air 2, as the Air 3's design follows the footsteps of the DJI Mavic 3 and 3 Pro, boasting a groundbreaking dual primary camera system. The wide-angle camera offers an 82 degrees field of view and an equivalent focal length of 24 millimeters, delivering breathtaking perspectives of the aerial landscape. Complementing the wide-angle lens, the medium telecamera boasts a 35 degrees field of view and a format equivalent of 70 millimeters, bringing your subjects closer with a touch of artistry. With focal ranges optimized for various distances, from nearby subjects to distant vistas, the Air 3's cameras capture stunning 48-megapixel photos and 4K videos at 60 frames per second, ensuring every detail is preserved with high dynamic range. Safety and convenience are paramount. The Air 3 features omnidirectional obstacle sensing systems to avoid any collisions in all directions, ensuring a worry-free flight experience. And for those in nations with relaxed drone flying regulations, the new 04 HD video transmission system lets you enjoy real-time video transmission from the drone to the controller, allowing for precise framing and composition. Now, let's dive into the specifications. The DJI Air 3 weighs 720 g and offers a flight time of approximately 46 minutes, ample time to capture stunning shots from above. The Air 3 is available in various options, starting from the DJI Air 3 with DJI RC-N2 at £962 sterling, €1,099, the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC-N2 at £1,199 sterling, €1,349, and the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC2 at £1,379 sterling, €1,549. From professional photographers to hobbyists, the DJI Air 3 is the imaging drone you've been waiting for. Don't miss the opportunity to pre-order yours today at dji.com/air-3. So there you have it, the DJI Air 3, a powerful drone that's ready to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Join us in the skies and experience the magic of the Air 3's dual camera system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech updates.